Dear students, in my previous videos I have taught you the meaning and importance of the directive principles. In this video, I would like to explain about classification of the directive principles and some article I'll discuss. Basically, I'll focus on five main subjects. Directive principles. These principles can be broadly classified under the five categories. Category number one, economic. Second, Gandhian. Third one, protection of the environment and monuments. Fourth one, law. And fifth one, justice and administration and international peace and security. So one by one, I will teach you. First slot I am going to start. Economic principles. The state shall ensure to do or to provide the following to citizen. Article 39. There are many clauses, many parts are there. First one I am going to teach one. 39 to provide adequate means of livelihood for all through securing for all its citizens, men, women, equal rights. Dear students, you know that each and every person are very, very special. And how their special things will come out. So state government will ensure adequate situation and it is responsibility of the state. Article 39b to subserve the common goods through the distribution of the material resources. This is very common. And Article 39c to prevent concentration of wealth and material resources in few hands. I think I have taught you Zamindari system. Earlier feudal system existed in our country also. We can say Zamindari system. So means handful of people had lot of resources. So when Zamindari system abolished, so distribution taken place, land distributed amongst the farmers, and basically maximum people got land property, and after that their life will be comfortable. And Article 39d to ensure equal pay for equal work, means there will be no any discrimination between male and female. If equal work they are doing, so equal pay will be ensured. So given that will be ensured by government. Article 39c to protect the health and strength of the workers, men, women and children, and to ensure that workers are not forced to pursue an occupation unsuited to their age and physical strength. And Article 39 next ones to provide for the proper care for children and youth against the exploitation and the moral as well as the material abandonment, to provide facility for children and youth to develop in the healthy manner in the condition of the freedom of dignity. In this regard, child labor has been done away with. Article 41 to ensure right to work, to education and right to public assistance in the old age, sickness and disability or unemployment. I think old houses you have seen and you are familiar regarding this, and government is doing. And Article 42 to provide for just and human condition of work and material relief. This is very easy. I think you can understand. Article 43 to secure for all workers employment, wages and decent standard of living through suitable legislation or economic organization. Article 43a to ensure participation of the workers in the management of industries. The 42nd Amendment Act 1976 sought this measure to promote the concept of the welfare state. So these first slot I have taught you. Second, Gandhian or socialist plan. So by Panchayati Raj system, three-tier system established by 73rd Amendment Act in previous video also I have mentioned. And government will protect small scale industries, animal husbandry, agriculture, to boost up those people who are living in village area. And basically when it will be done, so happiness will be achieved in that area. And basically, and that definitely that will be very important for any country. And India is a welfare state and government is doing. Now this is second slot, and third slot I am going to teach the protection of environment and monuments. Dear students, you know that if biodiversity will be disturbed, so ecosystem will be disturbed, then huge problem will be occurring. So it is our responsibility to protect the environment also. Okay, so in directive principle very nicely given article 48 to protect and improve the environment and safeguard the forest and wildlife in the country. I think you know that animals protection and environment protection very necessary. And article 49 to protect every monuments of the national importance for destruction, disfigurement and removal, disposal or export. So these important points. And fourth slot is there, law, justice and administration. Article 39A, to ensure that legal system promote justice on the basis of equal opportunity and shall provide legal aid to ensure opportunity for securing justice is not denied to any citizen without discrimination. And article 44, uniform civil code for all citizen. I think you know this is very current issue and nowadays government is working on it. Article 50, to take step to separate judiciary from executive in the public service of the state. I think it is very necessary. And nowadays in democratic country, the executive and judiciary will be separated, I think you know. And fifth one, that will be last one principle, I would like to explain last slot, principle of international peace and security. Article 51 lay down the following principle for the international peace and understanding: to promote international peace and security, to maintain honorable relation between the nation, and to foster respect for the international law, treaty obligation in the dealing of organized people with another, to settle international dispute through the arbitration, talking delegation, so and so. One more point is there not mentioned here, I would like to mention. Directive principle also focused on apartheid, means racial discrimination. I think in Africa racial discrimination was going on during colonial era. And Nelson Mandela name you are familiar, and he is known as African Gandhi, and he sacrificed his maximum life, okay, for abolition of the apartheid, and finally he was very much success. I think you are familiar, you know. One more point is there that is very important: disarmament. Dear students, peace, prosperity can be occurred only one condition is there: if peace will be there, and if mad race of armament will be there, so that will be very dangerous for humanities. And we have seen two world war, first and second war, destruction taken place, many people lost their life. So our directive principles focused on disarmament. What do you mean by disarmament? Means how many destructive weapons are there must be destroyed. Means all over rest of the world, how many countries are there, so they should destroy their destructive weapons. So definitely that will be very good for international peace and security. So only in this video only this much, and next day, dear students, I'll come with another video. And one more point is there, welfare state. If welfare state will be asked, so your answer will be there, maximum happiness to maximum number of the people. That is the main goal of any democratic government. Means how many people are living in respective area, and if government is there, so government will ensure maximum happiness to maximum numbers of the people. And next day, and that will be last video, I will teach you about many welfare schemes introduced by our government, like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Ujjwala Yojana, and e-Shram card, Ayushman uh, Ayushman Bharat Yojana, and one more yojana is there, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, Sahari Awas Yojana, and one more is there. So next video I will focus on all that. Okay. So next day I will come with another video. Thank you.